In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize buttons on your Card.co website. Buttons are a fantastic way to add interactivity and direct visitors through your site, so let's get started. First, navigate over to your Card dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Look for the plus icon. Clicking this is your gateway to adding new elements to your website. As soon as you click that plus icon, a menu will pop up offering a variety of elements to choose from. But what we're interested in today is buttons. Select the buttons option and you'll immediately see the button properties menu. Think of this as your command center for your shiny new button. Let's start with the basics, adding a label. This is the text that will appear on your button. You want it to be clear and direct, something that grabs attention but isn't confusing. Options like Contact Me or Learn More work really well here. Next, focus on the URL field. This is crucial because it dictates where visitors will be directed once they click. You can think of this feature as the engine powering your button. It ensures that clicking the button leads somewhere beneficial or informative. Now let's shift gears to the exciting world of customization. The style of your button is key to ensuring it complements your site's design and catches the eye. Start by changing the background color. You can use the sliders for ease, or if you have a specific brand color in mind, go ahead and type in the exact hex code. Next up, consider adding a hover color. This is a neat little trick that changes the button's color when someone hovers over it with their mouse. It adds a dynamic, interactive vibe to the button. Alongside this, make sure to adjust the label color, which is essentially the button text color. You want it to stand out and be easily readable against your background choice. If you're using Card Pro, a world of advanced options opens up for you, like on-click functions. This feature allows you to run custom JavaScript whenever someone clicks your button. It's perfect for those looking to add layers of complexity beyond the basic link function. Once you're satisfied with your button's appearance and actions, click the Add button to place it on your site. You can follow this process as many times as needed to populate your site with multiple interactive buttons. When your design looks perfect, go ahead and hit Done to lock in your edits. There you have it, a custom button on your Card site. Remember, web design is a continuous journey, so feel free to tweak and adjust your buttons whenever you need to. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Card tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.